Welcome. In front of me I have the DOOGEE S96 Pro, and today I'll show you a couple of camera tricks that you can use when you have this smartphone. So when you are in the camera, first I'm going to talk about the settings that we have here, and after that about the interesting modes. So let's start from the settings. We are in the photo mode, go for the settings and tap on right upper corner, and as you can see at the first we can add location information, the location tags on our photos. So when you tap and enable this option, and when you take a photo, take a look, when you go for the details, we will get the exact location. Okay, let's click OK. Okay, let's check if the location is turned on. Okay, we have to enable the location. In the most cases, when you tap right here, the location will be automatically turned on. But as you can see here, we have to enable this option and then manually turn on location by going for the notification bar on the smartphone. Next, let's take a photo and let's see if it works right now. Yeah, as you can see right now, we got the exact location where the photo was taken. So you can open it also in the Google Maps. So yeah, there's the first very useful feature. Next one, we can also add the brand watermark to the photo. So when you enable this one and take a photo, on the left bottom corner you will have the mark that the photo was taken with the DOOGEE S96 Pro. You can also get rid of that by unselect this option. We can enable or disable the camera characteristical shutter sound. Oh wait, we have to turn on sounds, and just take a look. Okay, right now let's try if it works. Yeah, right now we can hear that shutter sound. So if you want to get rid of that or activate, just tap here. We can also add the grid lines that help us to take better composition of the photo, as you can see. We got the self timer, for example, for the 2 seconds. And after 2 seconds, the photo will be taken. When you are in the settings, you can also change the volume key feature. It's very useful. I always use it as the zoom, and take a look. When you press the volume up or volume down button, we can smoothly zoom in just like that by using power key. So if you cannot pinch your screen like that, you can use this feature. And that's all from the settings. And right now I'm going to talk about the modes that we have here. So there we got very interested in night vision mode. When you tap on it, we can take a photo when it's completely dark, and as you can see it goes in the black and white color. And take a look what is going to happen. Let's take a look here. As you can see, it's on the red color, so there's the detector. And when you take a photo, I'm going to turn off the light. It's a little bit darker, but we can still take a photo. Of course, it's not the best example because there is the other light from the monitor or from the window that it's outside. But if it's completely dark, you can use the night vision and the photo will be still taken in the black and the white color. So just test it, and it's very, very useful option. We can also go for the macro modes. We can take macro shots with this smartphone, because here we got the 4 lenses and the one is responsible for taking the macro photos. And take a look, I'm going to try to use it. For example, I would like to take the photo of my band. Okay, the photo was taken. Let's see what is the quality of that photo. To be honest, I think when you take photo with normal mode, it will look a little bit better. Oh, let's turn off the self timer and take a look. Oh, unfortunately, this smartphone got problem with the focus. Okay, so yeah, in this case, The macro mode is useful here because in the normal lens we get problem with taking focus close. Okay, let's skip to the more modes, and as you can see we got the filters, so we can quickly apply them on the photos. You don't have to download external application, you can use your normal stock camera and we can quickly apply them to the photos, as you can see. So when you want to go for the aqua, for example, just take a photo, and as you can see the colors and temperature on the photo has changed. And what we have here on the more modes, I think that's all. We can also use the pro mode, but it's a little bit laggy, so take a look. It doesn't work good. I think that other options that I show you are the best, and this one is like not that bad, and the others you just know that, so I'm not going to talk about the obvious mode like photo mode or the video, because you know that. And basically that's all. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.